Hi, I'm Dr. Chad Larson, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about S enzymes. S enzymes are systemic enzymes or proteolytic enzymes. And proteolytic enzymes are naturally occurring enzymes in the body, and you can take these as a nutritional supplement for a few different things. One of the main things that they do is they're very detoxifying for the body. Enzymes are like the detox superstars in the body. So by taking enzymes, especially away from food, these are not digestive enzymes. You take them on an empty stomach, and then they're available in the body for detoxification and also for anti-inflammatory properties. And here's, I think, one of the main things that separates S enzymes from other enzymes on the market. Enzymes really need to be what we call enterically coated. They need to be coated with a material that helps them bypass the upper part of the gastrointestinal system, and so that they're available for the lower part of the gastrointestinal system. And a lot of the enzymes on the market don't have that enteric coating, and they get destroyed in the upper intestine, and then they're not available for detox and for inflammation. So enzymes such as serrapeptase, which is a very important and beneficial enzyme for the body, has to be enterically coated. And also, there's many enzymes that are in S enzymes, but two of them in particular are very beneficial, and they're naturally derived. Bromelain, for example, comes from pineapples, and papain comes from papaya. And these are very beneficial enzymes for inflammation, for wound healing, and for detoxification. One more thing that I think separates enzymes, S enzymes, from other enzymes on the market, these are standardized to the USP, United States standardization. And it's very important that when you're looking at enzymes is you want that USP standardization so you know that the quality is truly there. So S enzymes, just to review, is very important for if you have any kind of muscle ache or inflammation, arthritis, joint pain, S enzymes should be a part of the protocol. And if you need to detox the body of built up toxins, and this is actually a very good time of year to do some detoxification, S enzymes should be a part of your protocol.